I just attended the first of a series of Zoom workshops on false allegations that were hosted primarily by Rael LaPenta with the interference with Child Custody Coalition, IC3, and Ulysses Butch Slaughter, a Navy veteran and father of six who's been the victim of false allegations and produced the False Allegations 411 videos, which had more than 10 million views. They were joined by Robert Garza, a dedicated father who spent well over $500,000 fighting in family court to be in the lives of his children and done a lot of incredible work, advocacy work in Texas. And he shared a lot of great information. It was very well attended with over 50 participants. Some of the highlights, they shared a map that Ulysses and Rael have developed that lays out the different paths that false allegations can occur. There are three of those routes, so to speak. Each route has different rules, statutes, or laws, different people or agencies you have to deal with, different burdens of proof, and different possible impacts. Those three routes are criminal, civil, and CPS. Again, we'll try to get the video link of this. They recorded it. And if you're interested in finding more out about all of this, you can go and watch the actual video yourself. That's what we're hoping to do for you here. They noted the harm that occurs with false allegations and that it touches many different people in many different ways. And false allegations are not true, but are tactical. They're used for a purpose. They shared the very tragic story of the false allegations made to Chris Christensen, as well as Lynn Crabtree's poignant story about the false allegations made against her and her partner, and noted that 1 in 10 Americans, according to a YouGov poll, have had false allegations made against them. So a lot of great things going on in this workshop. Again, 50 people, and an engaged chat was occurring. A lot of different. They didn't just sit there and talk at you the whole time. They had a lot of different modems to be able to relay the information and get stories out. And they're already preparing because they'll continue to do these workshops the first Thursday of each month at noon Eastern until September 9th when that'll be International Falsely Accused Day. So again, these workshops are really beneficial if you've been through these types of things, or you know someone who's been through these types of things, or you involved in any kind of really contentious custody situation and you just want more information in general. These are well worth making some time. An hour over lunch on a Thursday, first of each month now. So highly recommend getting the next Zoom, which will be in, I guess, May. So thank you.